Hello, welcome to Author Talk. Today I wrote a new blog on Medium. The book title is The Ghost and Woman. This book will be published 1st March. The manuscript writing, everything is ongoing. Today I wrote the status of the blog. Here you can see the blog details. Yeah, these are the main contents. Already I have completed 6 blogs. These all blogs will be repurposed for the book. This is the cover. Several readers already pre-booked this new book. So then you will get it the copy. If you book it, you can read the book. Thank you. We can see next video.